Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with something absolutely fantastic. This is the Tong Mu Mahjong tile here with me in Zirc for a review, and we're gonna analyze the look, the sound, and the feel of this guy. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content right over here. Would you look at how beautiful this guy is? Zirc Mahjong right over here. I don't know what is going on over here. Maybe you can let me know in the comments if you have more information. But this box is really well made. There's some padding going on this lid. You have this pretty cool thing which is hinged with this coin, which also you can let me know what does it say, because I have no idea. I cannot read this one over here. But I mean, box, it's really cool. This guy is a very well made fidget toy. It's a slider basically. And it has a very interesting size because like this guy is going to be, you see something like that, it's going to be 1.26 inches wide and 1.65 inch long tall with overall thickness of 0.68 inches, so very cool size. And the weight of this guy is gonna be quite substantial. This is a solid chunk of zirconium, and yeah, it's going to be 4.99 ounces, 5 ounces in the pocket. It's a solid beast, but it's compact, it's dense, it feels great in the hand. It looks amazing. So let's just quickly check this guy up against some other options. This is also like Tong Mu one-off titanium mahjong tile. This is the Lauti pair of kings shuffle. This is the Ambori mid-size coin. Gravit Sapa, this is from Compoform. This is a Ambori full-size haptic coin. Nighthawk, another haptic coin, really cool. This is Lauti Zirc Sam. And what else can I show you? Of course, Maki Zirc. Look at this. This is a pretty cool set of Zirc toys. And another Zirc, because we were talking about Zirc. This is EDC Lung Bulletproof Shield. Fantastic one. And another Zirc, because yeah, we're talking about Zirc. That's the Lauti, that's the dice. And another piece of Zirc, because I just love Zirc. This is the Nighthawk Corona edition. And look at this Black Mirror dial in the house, as well as the Maki Ambori coin collaboration right over here. So I mean, yeah, you've got the idea. You've got a sense of the size of this guy. It's beautifully done. It's polished Zirc. I think this guy says flower or rich. So let me know what are your thoughts about this engraving over here. It's polished. It's made of 3 pieces. So this is a slider, so it slides up and down. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 states, and then you can just detach the top part. You're gonna find out that there's 20 neodymium magnets installed on the inside, with a set of roller bearings over here to facilitate the sliding of this this top part right over here. And you see that there's 2 parts like going inside these tracks to keep the top part basically in like centered and not being able to just slide out. So really cool. Of course, you have like another notch over here which you can use like as a nail nick and remove the back, because this guy comes with this extra back with an extra coin like this, which you can decide to install actually on this side. So if you like gold or like this, you know, it's going to be up to you. But also this guy comes with a carbon fiber back plate, and you can just install it like that, save a little bit of weight, and it's still gonna be looking pretty cool. But I prefer like full Zirc because that's just me. So I mean, from the look perspective, this guy just looks amazing. It's a beautiful piece. It's polished. It's a fingerprint magnet, as you can see. But like if you take like a microfiber cloth, you just wipe it out, and this guy is gonna be pretty good to go. But this is something you want to play with, so you don't need to be worried about the fingerprints because it's gonna be in your hand. So you just slide it like that. up and down, and the feeling is really good because this is a hefty chunk of zirc. It's heavy, it feels great in the hand, and compared, for example, to this one, which is titanium, this is like really light compared to this, and also the magnets are lighter in a way, but this has stronger magnets, I feel, and the feeling is much better than that because you need to put a little bit more effort in order to be able to do that, and the satisfaction is a little bit higher, I think. Really well made. It doesn't really move that much compared to this guy, which is, you see, this one has a little bit more wiggle. This guy is just with higher tolerances, so really cool. You have this back plate with this coin, fantastically made, and it's beautiful, it's flush, it looks fantastic, it shimmers, it's polished, it's gorgeous to look at. The feel also is really good, and the sound, it's very good. You can decide to be loud, like just like that, or you can just be like a little bit more discreet and just go something like that, just go slower and being less obtrusive if you are around people, or just be obnoxious and just go full sound. So I mean, either way, you can have a lot of fun with this guy if you can find one, because they are pretty rare, not so many around, and they're gonna be quite expensive. These guys can be like $250 depending on the market availability. You have to check them their availability on the secondary market because not many are around, but you can't really go wrong. This is something that it looks good, it feels great, and it sounds amazing. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.